Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you what is the best vacuum for hair. Hi guys, my name is Christina and this is Angel, and then I recently bought vacuum which is supposed to be the best vacuum for hair. So I have Angel, and Angel doesn't shed that much, but I'm going to show you how much hair is stuck to certain kind of fabric and material, and I have so much fabric in my apartment, so I needed a vacuum, but I didn't want to buy like a very expensive one. So this vacuum was under $100, and then in this video I'm going to show you, we're going to test it if it is a good vacuum for hair. Let's start. Okay, so looks very cool, isn't it? Iwoly Silicone Cologne Vacuum. Looks awesome. Hopefully it works. So and then it has parts. This is the big one, probably good for tile floors. This is just for hair. I don't know what is this. And probably this is for the pet hair, which I am looking for. Or maybe this one. So looks awesome. Not heavy. Let's vacuum. So here are my textiles, and these boxes where I keep more textiles, they get very hairy. Previously I tried it to clean it with another vacuum, just a hand vacuum, and I left these two just to see how much hair can stuck on it. Like, this fabric is like hair magnet, so I wanna see if it takes it off the hair. So first I'm just going to do it by itself. What I noticed first, that the vacuum is very quiet, and the brush tool helps to take the hair off from the box very easily. Okay, so you can see that it took off all the hair very quickly. I'm loving this. Yeah, took off the hair completely. So it looks like a very cool vacuum. Here's to turn it on. It is circling the hair. For me, it's hard to keep clean all these textiles in the shelves, and because of the vacuum I was able to clean it so quickly, like 10 minutes. So far I'm loving this Star Wars vacuum, so cool. However, here is the test. is coming, I have to show you how hairy is this portfolio, and I was thinking maybe I just throw it out, but I was saving it for the vacuum, the magical vacuum, which is can save it because I hate throwing things out, and this portfolio is kind of like expensive to buy. So let's see if this works on it. You're going to die if you see it, how hairy it is. So here is my portfolio. It's kind of embarrassing to show, but I wanted to throw this out because it has so much hair on it. Basically it just pick up the hair, and however this is pretty big, as you can see, and contains all the stuff that I need for my drawing, and I don't want to throw it out because it costs like $200-300, things like that. So let's see if this vacuum cleans it, and then this is the magic vacuum if it does. So until I am testing the vacuum out, according to Amazon, this is a 600 watt stick vacuum with a powerful vacuum and is equipped with the floor head for marble, tile and hardwood floor. You can use it to pick up all kinds of crumbs, hair, dust and even cat litter. Your floor will be much cleaner than ever. Due to the powerful suction, it is easy to fit tightly with sealed carpets, and it is hard to move on soggy plus carpet and rugs. Lightweight vacuum cleaner. The body of this 2-in-1 stick and handled vacuum is only 3 pounds. Carry it upstairs or between rooms with ease, effortlessly reaching hard to clean spots like ceilings and light fixture. Reach high and low. Use the adjustable extension tube to add an extra 17-28 inches. Clean under furniture and even reach ceiling fans and vents. In addition, clean in one pass with a 60 feet longer power cord. User-friendly, come with easy to clean dustbin, advanced cyclone HEPA filtration system. Effectively spins dust away from a motor and keep the powerful suction good, ideal for home with pets and children. So I just want to show you how well the vacuum is clean, the portfolio holder. Nowhere, I don't know how long it took me, 5 minutes. Perfect. This vacuum is awesome. I'm loving it. I can't believe it. I wanted to throw this out because I'm like, I never will be able to clean this. And here you go, 5 minutes of work. Awesome vacuum. I love the above. I love this vacuum. Oh my god. I mean, as soon as I took it out in the box, it was functioning. For the hair, mostly I use this, and the suction power was very hard. I mean, you can see it. Whatever hair what I had, it sucked it up quickly. I had another vacuum, nothing wrong with it. It's kind of new too, and it just doesn't have a suction power. It doesn't suck up the hair. So how can I use it? And it's like a new vacuum, and it's just garbage. So I am very happy with this cool looking vacuum. Cyclone vacuum it's called. And here is the hair, what it came up, and you just take this off. You don't even need a bag or anything else, so that's good. Here you press this button and then it makes it very long. And I especially bought the cord. This was a little bit expensive, not expensive, but like $10 or $15 more, because the cord had 5 meters, so it does have a cord too. And this is for the floor. It's have a little bit of brush. I'm very happy with this. Under $100 vacuum. I got it in Amazon. I'm going to leave a link in the description if you like it and maybe you want to purchase it. It's also, I saw it now that it's even less. I think it was $69 or something like that, but I bought it for $100. So I love it. I'm super happy about it, and it looks so good, like a Star Wars. I love it. I'm very satisfied and I recommend it. So if you guys like my video, please subscribe and hit the like button, so because it is matter. And thank you for watching, and bye.